back with another video sponsored by UNice Hair. And this is going to be a 13x4 body wave unit. This is not a closure unit. This is a pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut ear-to-ear lace. Let me show y'all what came in the bag. They sent some nails, a cap, UNice headband, and then it also has some tabs for the lace. I'm just gonna get my cap and everything on, and then I'll come back with the wig.
Me twice.
Okay, so let's get into the wig. So this wig is supposed to be adjustable. So it has several clasps for you to tie it up in the back. If I'm explaining that right. So it comes with some like little ear tabs right here, and you can see the adjustable band. You can see this is pre-cut as well, and it goes ear to ear, and it comes with these two tabs on the side, and that's for you to so it can lay down. Now y'all know I got a small head, so let's see if it passes the small head test. It do have elastic bands. I didn't see that. So I'm gonna put the elastic band, and the elastic band has some silicone on the bottom right here, on the back, and that just allows for it to lay flat on your head without rising up. I'm gonna put the elastic band on. So I put the band on here, and let's see, maybe I'll adjust it a little bit more because y'all know your girl. So I'm gonna take these and
Team DMS.
I'm gonna take a little bit of, this is Red by Kiss lace tint. Okay, so unlike other glueless wigs, this one you can pull back. But I'm not gonna pull it back because I don't want to put any more tabs, but they do have plenty of tabs for you to apply. I'm gonna use the Ebon lace spray. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit on, give me a nice good melt, and I'll be back. Okay, so now we're gonna take this off.
Team DMS.
Y'all, this wig is like,
Team DMS.
okay, and this is just to show that some versatility in the lace. Still no glue. So yeah, girl, UNice did that big one with this. This is definitely beginner friendly if you're not a lace girl, because I'm not a lace girl. They definitely did that big one with this one. Definitely beginner friendly if you're not somebody that's used to doing lace or not putting them on. Get you this wig from UNice Hair. I have the link in the description box below. Coupon codes and everything for y'all to check out. And yes, get you another one. So y'all make sure y'all check out UNice Hair. Tell them Keisha sent you, and bye.